Before you buy a Lenovo, there are some important things you need to know to make the best decision for your needs, especially if you're comparing it with other brands like Dell, HP, or Apple. Stick around as we break down 7 key factors you should consider before purchasing. First off, Lenovo laptops are known for their incredible build quality, especially in their ThinkPad and Yoga lines. When comparing it to competitors, Lenovo often comes out on top for durability. ThinkPads, for example, have passed multiple military-grade tests for durability, making them a solid choice if you're in need of a machine that can stand up to the rigors of daily use. If you're comparing it to HP or Dell, you might find that Lenovo's metal chassis gives a sturdier, more premium feel than plastic designs commonly found on those brands' entry-level models. Next thing to consider is performance. Lenovo provides excellent performance across a wide range of use cases. Their higher-end models, like the ThinkPad X1 Carbon or the Legion Gaming series, offer top-tier specs, including Intel's latest processors, tons of RAM, and high refresh rate displays for smooth gaming or multitasking. While Apple and Dell might focus more on sleek designs or premium experiences, Lenovo's focus has always been more on raw power and functionality at competitive prices. The third thing to know is Lenovo's keyboard quality. If you're someone who types a lot, Lenovo's keyboards are some of the best in the industry. They offer a responsive, comfortable typing experience that's perfect for long hours of use. In fact, many people who switch from other brands to Lenovo often cite the keyboard as one of the standout features that keeps them coming back. It's an area where Apple or even Microsoft sometimes fall short, especially with the shallow keyboards found on their MacBook Airs and Surface devices. The fourth thing is Lenovo's display options. Lenovo has made significant strides in offering stunning displays in its laptops. With models like the ThinkPad X1 Carbon or the Yoga series, you'll find 4K options and ultra-bright screens that are fantastic for content creators or those who need high color accuracy. If you're coming from a brand like Dell, Lenovo's display quality can hold its own, especially when you consider the premium pricing of Dell's XPS series. Next, let's talk about battery life. Lenovo laptops typically offer exceptional battery life, with the ThinkPad T series often delivering up to 15 hours of continuous use on a single charge. When compared to competitors like HP or Dell, who sometimes sacrifice battery life for performance, Lenovo really shines here. This can be a deciding factor if you need a machine that can keep up with you on long travel days or work sessions away from the charger. The sixth thing is Lenovo's customer service. While not perfect, Lenovo generally provides strong support through both phone and online channels. If you've ever had to call Dell or HP for support, you know how hit or miss those services can be. Lenovo, however, has garnered praise for offering more consistent, helpful service, especially when it comes to handling business users who need reliable tech support. And the seventh thing is price to performance ratio. When compared to brands like Apple or Dell, Lenovo often delivers better value, especially if you're on a budget but still need a high-performing machine. Whether it's a mid-tier model like the Lenovo IdeaPad or the gaming-focused Legion, Lenovo provides options that give you more power for your money compared to the similarly priced competition. This is particularly appealing for business users and students who need a machine that gets the job done without breaking the bank. If you're still on the fence about which Lenovo laptop to pick, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description below for the best offer on Lenovo's latest models. You can even try it out completely free, with some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to grab the best deal and experience Lenovo's fantastic performance and durability for yourself. So, before you make your decision, remember these 7 points about Lenovo laptops. If you want to get the most value and the best experience, click the first link in the description now to try Lenovo India and enjoy an exclusive free trial with unbeatable offers.